Hi guys, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and this is just a quick video because I want to make sure you're aware of this. My next video hop, the theme is bling. So if you're into glitter, sparkles, gems or anything shiny, this is the one for you. I want your entry requests by the 16th of August, please. And I will require that the links to your videos are in by the 31st of August. It'll go live on the 7th of September. Most probably it will be early in the morning on the 7th in Spain, but I will let you know the actual time later on. Now, for those of you who don't know how to time your videos, I will be making sure that you do know that. I will send details of that in an email. You can get my contact details from the information box below. You can email me to say, yes, I want to join in. If you'd like to, I will be happy to consider all applications. It doesn't matter if you have a large channel or if you have a small one. You're all welcome, and I will do my best to accommodate anyone who wants to join. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you there. Bye.